Have you ever noticed that hiss sound when buses brake? The hissing noise you hear is actually caused by the release of air from the brake system. Buses, especially larger ones, often use air brakes, which rely on compressed air to activate the brakes. When the brake pedal is pressed, air pressure is released, causing the brake pads to engage and slow down the vehicle. The hiss sound you hear is the air escaping from the brake chambers as the brakes are applied. So, the next time you hear that hiss sound when buses brake, you'll know it's just the air brakes doing their job.